Get your bookmarking fingers ready because I have some of the very best mockup websites that are free coming right at you at lightning speed. You will know some of the websites listed in today's video, but I don't think you will know every single one. I did end up doing a lot of research for this one. Learn more about the awesome workflow tool Milanote later in today's video, and also how to sign up for free with a no time limit period attached. So these mockup websites are in no particular order, and we're starting with the Mockup Club. The home screen motto is get the best design mockups for free, and that's why it's on today's list. They have a nice set of categories to choose from, and most of the mockups here are so clean and minimal. So if that's what might persuade your client with a specific brief, bookmark this website and grab some downloads today. Mockup Tree has a nice set of categories as well, and that's seen at the very top along a black bar. The mockups are all very high quality, which goes without saying. I'm not going to exactly push low-grade mockups onto you guys. Next is Smart Mockups, and they're pretty smart because they have a pro and a free version. The freebies are awesome though, and if you want to splash some cash, you can always go ahead and do that. But yeah, these mockups are great, and what I did like here was the attention to detail in the categories. For example, the packaging category has subcategories for things like cosmetics, food, and so on. Mr. Mockup has arrived, and he has a ton of very clean and very high quality mockups for you to download and use. The categories are located at the very top in grey, and this is the freebie section of this website. The website also does have paid for goodies too, so do check that out if you fancy like doing some designer retail therapy. PSD Repo is 6th on our list today. This site has the latest mockups at the very top, then popular, and of course a search tool. Now I do like using the popular button, and that's just to see what designers are into at the moment and to see what's hot in the mockup world. Again, bookmark this website and you will not regret it. And I'm sure many of you know about Anthony Boyd already. He's made quite the signature name for himself, mainly through handing out free PSD mockups. His style is very unique, and so are the mockups that you can download from his website. They're all very high quality, and I myself do partake in a download from time to time. You can never go wrong with ultra high resolution mockups because clients do love them. When used correctly, of course. Next, a website with a very literal name, Good Mockups. Are they good? Well, I think so, possibly even great. Not sure why they didn't go with the name Amazing Mockups, but anyway, this site has a lot to choose from, and I do like the indoor-outdoor section, specifically for those marketing posters and billboards. So how can I finish a list of the best mockup websites without mentioning my main go-to for 2022? I've spoken about it before, but it has to be mentioned in today's video, and that is Unblast. It's easy to use, it has a wide selection of mockups, and of course everything is free. You will often be directed away from the website because it's more of a search engine for mockup websites. And by this point you should have 9 different websites bookmarked and ready to use. So in that case, do enjoy them, and I hope they work out for you and your future projects. So today's video is sponsored by Milanote. Now I've been a firm advocate of Milanote for 3 years, and if you've been subscribed to my channel for a while, you will know that Milanote is a bit different to traditional software. Now it's more like working on the wall, so to speak, in a creative studio. It allows you to map out your projects, collect all of your ideas and inspiration in one convenient place, and it also allows you to collaborate with your colleagues or your clients in real time. So I've been using Milanote for the past 3 years to keep my creative projects organized, and this awesome tool is available for free with no time limit. So if you haven't done already, sign up for free using the link in the description box below and start to streamline your graphic design workflow today. But if you want to learn how to use mockups really efficiently, do click a video on screen. And until next time, design your future today. Peace.